Tired of empty anti-aging promises? Many have tried expensive creams and treatments only to face disappointment. The search for youth becomes a constant battle, leaving us anxious and disillusioned. But what if the secret to vibrant, youthful skin was already in your kitchen? Consider coconut oil, a natural treasure rich in antioxidants and healthy fats. It locks in moisture and soothes dry, tired skin. Its vitamin E protects against environmental damage, while lauric acid helps combat common skin issues. A dab on damp skin or a spot in your cooking can nourish your body inside and out. Next, castor oil offers soothing relief and deep healing. This remarkable remedy penetrates to support muscle recovery and joint comfort. It boosts skin elasticity and balances hormones, reducing inflammation that ages the skin. A warm, gentle compress with castor oil can spark a revitalizing change. Ginger brings warmth and natural power to your daily routine. Its anti-inflammatory compounds help firm the skin and promote healthy circulation. This spicy root, known for aiding digestion, invites a radiant glow with every use. A spoonful in tea or your favorite dish can make a real difference. Then, a pinch of cayenne pepper awakens your body's energy. Capsaicin boosts metabolism and improves blood flow, ensuring more oxygen reaches skin cells. This simple spice can reduce the appearance of fine lines and boost overall vitality. Just a small daily dose, stirred into warm water, can revitalize you from within. Integrate regular exercise as part of your natural anti-aging journey. Even 15 minutes daily can increase youth-preserving hormones and support healthier skin. Combine mindful movement with natural remedies for a holistic approach to lasting vibrancy. Finally, don't overlook ionized water's cleansing power. It detoxifies the body, hydrates the skin deeply, and helps eliminate toxins that can dull your radiance. Pure hydration is a cornerstone of vibrant health and enduring youth. Every ingredient in your kitchen is a step towards natural beauty. Embrace simple, mindful habits and let nature become your true ally. Embrace natural remedies like coconut oil to nourish your skin and promote a youthful appearance. Nature heals. Find your vibrant youth within everyday wisdom. Embrace the simplicity and power of kitchen remedies and let their natural benefits restore your confidence and well-being. Each small step nurtures your body, proving that true beauty arises from nature's honest gifts. Discover a more radiant you every day. Start now.